right? So for the guys that are using our cam trigger kit and have the old style crank angle sensor connector, so you're going from the early Mitsubishi style crank or cam angle sensor, I get the question, how do you wire it up? So if you got the supplied new style connector, you're going to just install it pin by pin the same way the old style connector plugs into a new style CAS. So colors do not match up. This is a wiring specialties adapter for guys who happen to have a new connector and still using the early style. So it would connect to that, right? Colors don't match up. But if we're calling this the factory side connector, you're going to essentially go from blue to black, black to green, the gray to white, and the green to red. So you're just going to follow that pin assignment. So obviously the factory Nissan wiring harness, these wires are going to be different colored. You're going to have green and black, different variations, but you just follow the pin assignment and you're good to go.